this video, we are talking about the advanced configuration of domain filtering. We will be talking about custom categories, allow list, block list, and interaction between allowed domain names and blocked domain names. In order to access the configuration page, you need to be on the Shield page in the administration portal. Once you're in the Shield page, go ahead, turn on the monitoring switch in the domain filtering section. This enables you to monitor the domain traffic. After monitoring is activated, and if you want to block content categories, click on the little edit icon or pencil on the lower left corner of domain filtering section. Domain filtering window is open, and as you can see, you can select or unselect any of the custom categories that you choose. There are 43 categories available. You can also search the categories by using this search bar. For example, if I type gambling, you can see what kind of categories under gambling and games is available. Once you choose what categories you would like to block, you can go ahead and click on Save to save your configuration. As you can see on this page, there is another tab named Allow List. Allow List is a feature of CyberShield domain filtering. The Allow List enables you to allow a defined list of domains which may get blocked by any of the domain filtering categories. So you can add domains to the Allow List either individually or in batch using text or TXT file. If you would like to add them individually, you just type the name of the domain in this box and you click on Add. Now if you would like to do it in batch, you upload your text file by clicking on this button up here. Just keep in mind that the text file must be formatted to contain each domain in its own row. Also, domain names cannot contain any asterisks, and any existing entries are going to be overridden by the entries in the uploaded file. Once you're happy with your uploaded file or any domains that you added individually, you go ahead, click on Save, and you save your configuration. Now, at any time, if you would like to download the list of your allowed list, you can come back here and click on this little link that says Download List. Once you click on this, you can download the list of your domains that are in the allowed list. In contrast, we also have the option of blocking domains. The block list is a feature of CyberShield domain filtering, which enables you to block a defined list of domains, which results in a custom domain filtering category. You can add domains to the block list either individually or in batch using a text or TXT file. If it's individually, you just type the domain name here in this box and click on Add. If it's in batch, you can go ahead, click on Upload List and upload your text or TXT file. The instructions on how to format the TXT file, it's exactly the same as Allow List. Once you're done and happy with your list, you can go ahead, click on Save to save your configuration. Now, at any point, if you would like to download the list of your blocked domains, you can come back to this page and down here click on Download List. This way you can download the list of blocked domain to your computer. We just looked at allow list and block list. Let's look at the interaction between blocked and allowed domain names. A domain name consists of multiple levels where the dot separates each level. Consider the cloud.openvpn.com. .com is the top level domain or TLD. .openvpn is the second level domain. Cloud is a third level or subdomain. The domain name matching logic checks domain names from right to left, starting from the TLD or top level domain. Therefore, if you're using both blacklist and allow list, be careful when you're filtering on both domain and subdomain names. You can have different results by adding two different configurations of a domain and subdomain in both the allow list and blacklist. For example, if you add google.com in the allow list, but you add mail.google.com in a blacklist, the results will be that google.com is allowed along with all its subdomains unless specifically configured in the blacklist. So in this case, mail.google.com will be blocked.